Unraveling I'm Eager to Assist, a deep dive into English expressions. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase, I'm eager to assist. This expression is not just about offering help. It's about showing enthusiasm and readiness to support someone. Let's dive deep into what makes this phrase special and how you can use it effectively in your conversations. Whether you're learning English as a second language or looking to polish your communication skills, this video is for you. I'm eager to assist is composed of two key parts, eager and assist. To be eager means to be very enthusiastic and keen to do something. It's a step beyond just being willing. It's about having a strong desire or excitement for the task at hand. Assist, on the other hand, means to help or support someone in achieving something. So, when you combine these words into the phrase, I'm eager to assist, you're expressing a strong enthusiasm to help someone. This phrase is perfect for formal and informal settings alike, but the context in which you use it can vary greatly. In the workplace, it's a great way to show initiative and a positive attitude towards teamwork. Whether you're offering help to a colleague or expressing your willingness to take on new tasks, this phrase sets a constructive tone. In personal settings, when a friend or family member needs support, saying, I'm eager to assist, not only shows that you're willing to help but also that you're enthusiastic about it. It can make a big difference in how your support is perceived. While saying, I'm eager to assist, is powerful, how you say it and your body language can enhance or diminish its impact. A genuine smile, eye contact, and an open posture can convey sincerity and enthusiasm. On the other hand, a lack of eye contact or a monotone voice might suggest disinterest, even if the words are right. Remember, effective communication is as much about how you say something as it is about what you say. Incorporate this phrase into your daily English practice. Try using it in different scenarios, like volunteering for tasks at work, offering help to a neighbor, or when participating in group projects. The more you use it, the more natural it will feel, and the better you'll become at expressing your eagerness to assist in a genuinely helpful manner. I'm eager to assist is a beautiful phrase that encapsulates enthusiasm, willingness, and support. It's a phrase that can help you make a positive impression in both personal and professional contexts. We hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of how and when to use this expression. Remember, being eager to assist is not just about the words you use but also about the sincerity and enthusiasm you bring to your actions. Thank you for watching, and we're eager to assist you in your journey to mastering English. See you in the next video.